Consumer Duty products now have the option to upload products using an Excel template. If you select this, you'll see this dialog appear. Explains that we can use our template to quickly upload products to our system. If you don't have the template, you can download it by clicking here. The template looks like this in terms of having a name, a description, a type, a status, in scope, role of firm, launch date and close date with an expected format of day, month and year. The type, status, in scope and role of firm are drop down options, and as an example we have a table that is filled in here with a lot of existing products to be uploaded newly into the system. Returning to Corterum, you would select your file. In this case we will select to upload. It's gone through and it has found all of the data and it has worked out what needs to go in where and parsed that correctly. You can see here that uploaded one has got a warning arrow which says that this name already exists in the system. Is it a duplicate? You can scroll through and check all of this information is correct or is not correct, and if it is not correct you can update the Excel spreadsheet accordingly, or you can add them in and then update them in the system. We have a select option here to allow you to deselect all and select them separately. You can select them all. In this case you would untick the uploaded one because it's a potential duplicate. If it's not a duplicate you can still upload it, and if you hit add products it will add all of the products into the system in one go.